Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track outbound link clicks using Google Tag Manager and send it as a GA4 event. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be setting up outbound link click events for this website. So if I scroll down to the bottom of the website, then you will see LinkedIn page URL, X page URL, and Facebook page URL. So if someone comes to our website and click one of these three URLs, then I want to track this as outbound link click event. Okay, because they're different domains. So whenever they will click this URL, then they will be redirected to a different domain. So I want to track this as one of our GA4 events. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So you can see over here, I have already created a tag manager account for this website and set up the necessary events. Okay, and additionally, I have created a GA4 property so that uh, I can send this as a GA4 event. Okay, perfect. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, we need to create a outbound variable. So I'm gonna go to the variable section and I'm gonna be creating a an user defined variable. So I'll create an outbound variable, outbound variable. Okay, so variable configuration would be auto event variable. Okay, then variable type would be element URL and the component type would be is outbound. Okay, perfect. Then I'll click on save. Then I need to create the trigger. Okay, then at last we're gonna be creating the tags. So I'll go to the trigger section and I'm gonna be creating a trigger called outbound link trigger. Okay, trigger configuration would be just links and some link clicks, and here we need to find outbound variable. Okay, so this is outbound variable and it will be equals true. Okay, perfect. Then I'll click on save. Now we need to create a tag. So as I already told you that I'm gonna be creating a GA4 tag, so I can name it as GA4 event outbound link. Okay, tag configuration would be Google Analytics GA4 event. Then we need to provide the measurement ID. So I have created a variable called GA4 measurement ID. So you can see the green mark. Okay, and the event name would be GA4 outbound link. And as event parameters, I'm gonna be sending two event parameters, one for click URL and other one for click text. Okay, so click URL, the value would be the dynamic click URL value, and another one would be click text. I should spell it properly, CLICK, click text, and this one would be also the dynamic value of click text. Okay, and as the triggering, I'm gonna trigger it as outbound link trigger. So I'll click on save. So we have created the necessary variables, triggers, and tags. So let's test whether they're working properly or not. So for testing, I'm gonna click on the preview section. Then I need to provide the website URL. So I'll click on connect. Then it is loading. Just wait a little bit. Tag assistant should be connected. So it is connected. So I'll go to the bottom section of my website. So you can see over here, I'm gonna click on LinkedIn logo, and you can see over here GA4 outbound link click has fired one time. Okay, so their parameters, click URL and click text. So you can see all the details over here. Okay, so let's go to the analytics and let's see whether we can see it in a real time or not. So you can see over here GA4 outbound link click. So this is one of our events. So let's see the click URL. So you can see over here the click URL is linkedin.com. So this is working properly. This is working fine. Okay. So yeah, this is how you can set up outbound link click as one of your GA4 events. Okay. So after making the changes, you can submit the changes. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.